Ever wondered how to get the most out of your fuel pump replacement? The secret lies in what you do before installing the new pump. The Delphi Fuel Tank Cleaning Kit promises a cleaner tank, free from sludge, varnish, and ethanol-related buildup, so your new pump performs at its best from day one. I've seen firsthand how skipping the tank cleaning step can lead to early fuel pump failure. When I replaced my sending unit, I took the extra time to use this kit. It broke down the stubborn gel and sludge that often hide in fuel tanks, especially those exposed to ethanol blends. The low-suds cleaner is specially formulated to treat tanks up to 40 gallons, making the job straightforward and efficient. Plus, the kit comes with gloves and a lint-free cloth, so cleanup is hassle-free. What changed? The new pump ran smoothly without any hiccups. Removing debris before installation helped extend the life of the sending unit, which could have otherwise been damaged by leftover contaminants. It's a simple step that saves you from costly repairs down the road. If you're planning a fuel pump replacement, this kit is worth a look. It's designed to save you time, hassle, and money by preventing sludge buildup and protecting your fuel system. After all, the original pump was installed in a clean tank. Your replacement deserves the same care. Try the Delphi Fuel Tank Cleaning Kit when you're ready to maintain your vehicle's fuel system the right way. Clean the tank thoroughly every time you replace the fuel pump to ensure lasting performance and peace of mind.